Hello, Power Kids. Let's learn addition of big to small numbers. 100,000 plus 10,000 plus 1,000 plus 100 plus 10 plus equals 111,111. 200,000 plus 20,000 plus 2,000 plus 200. 20 plus 2 equals 222,222. 300,000 plus 30,000 plus 3,000 plus 300 plus 30 plus 3 equals 333,333. 400,000 plus 40,000 plus 4,000 plus 400 plus 40 plus 4 equals 444,444. 500,000 plus 50,000 plus 5,000. 500 plus 50 plus 5 equals 555,555. 600,000 plus 60,000 plus 6,000 plus 600 plus 60 plus 6 equals 666,666. 700,000 plus 70,000 plus 7,000 plus 700 plus 70 plus 7 equals 777,777. 800,000 80,000 8,000 800 80 plus 8 equals 888,888. 900,000 90,000 9,000 900 90 plus 9 equals 999,999. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Bye-bye.